Odyyc is a CX strategy agency that combines data-driven segmentation with creative storytelling. We build customer experiences that drive visibility and conversion. As the creator of Easy autonomous technology, Easymile needed a comprehensive international digital strategy to support its groundbreaking innovations. To create a successful international web presence, Odyyc collaborated closely with Easymile, developing a holistic CX strategy specifically tailored to meet the diverse needs and expectations of their global audience. The challenge wasn't awareness, but remapping a fragmented global content strategy. With diverse offers and varying tech understanding across key audiences like city planners and tech partners, we needed to unify their message and drive qualified leads. Our focus was aligning Easymile's end-to-end solution with diverse global audiences. We explored their motivations and hesitations to create content that precisely matched their intent, guiding them through every step of their customer journey. Our strategic blueprint delivered a simplified sitemap and content zoning, enabling scalable marketing and development. This ensured core messages and SEO standards aligned content perfectly with the customer journey. We transformed Easymile's approach, enabling them to lead with clarity over complexity. The results: a core messaging framework focused on credibility, safety, and scalability, setting them apart in the market. Visit us at Odyyc.com and schedule a Zoom with our team. And let's bring your customer journey to life. Thank you for coming.